In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Base44. We'll walk through the process from the very beginning, starting from a simple Google search, all the way to successfully signing in using your Google account. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to click and what to expect on each screen, so you can access your Base44 workspace quickly and confidently. First, open your web browser of choice. This could be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any modern browser you're comfortable with. In the address bar at the top, type login Base44 and press enter. This will bring up the Google search results related to the Base44 login page. On the results page, look for the official Base44 link. It should clearly mention Base44 and usually includes app or login in the URL preview. Go ahead and click on that result to open the Base44 login page. Taking a moment to confirm that you're on the official site helps keep your account secure and ensures you're not entering details on a fake page. Once the Base44 login page is loaded, you'll see a few sign-in options. For this walkthrough, we're going to use the Login with Google option. This is a convenient way to sign in because you don't have to remember a separate username and password for Base44. It simply connects through your existing Google account. Click on the button that says Login with Google. After clicking, you'll be redirected to a Google sign-in screen. Here, you'll see a list of Google accounts that are already signed in on your browser, or you might be asked to enter your Google email and password. Select the Google account you want to use with Base44. If you don't see your account listed, choose the option to use another account and sign in using your usual Google credentials. Once you've selected your account, follow the on-screen prompts from Google. You may be asked to confirm that you want to allow Base44 to access basic information from your Google profile, such as your name and email address. Review the information, then click to continue or allow. If you have extra security set up on your Google account, like two-step verification, complete those steps as well. When you're done following the prompts, Google will redirect you back to Base44, and you should now be logged in and ready to use the platform.